Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will continue the chapter coordinate geometry. Today we will solve practice set 5.2 example number 8 and 9. Example number 8. In triangle ABC, the point G having coordinate -4, -7 is the centroid if A having coordinate -14, -19 and the point B having coordinate 3, 5, then find the coordinate of point C. Let the vertex A having coordinate x1, y1 is corresponds to order pair -14, -19. The vertex B having coordinate x2, y2 is corresponds to the order pair 3, 5 and G having coordinate x, y is corresponds to order pair -4, -7. The coordinate of point C be x3, y3. Here G is the centroid of triangle ABC is given. Therefore, by the centroid formulas, the x coordinate of point G is nothing but x is equal to x coordinate of point A, that means x1, plus x coordinate of point B, that means x2, plus x coordinate of point C, that means x3 upon 3. To find the x coordinate of point C, that means x3, substitute the value of x. X is nothing but x coordinate of point G, and which is how much? -4 is equal to x1 is nothing but x coordinate of point A, which is given -14, plus x2 is nothing but x coordinate of point B, which is given 3, and x3 as it is divided by 3. Now transfer these 3 to LHS. Divide becomes as multiply. Therefore -4 into 3, and which is -12 is equal to -14 plus 3, that means 14 and 3 have opposite sign. Therefore we take subtraction. Here 14 is greater than 3, therefore give the sign of 14, and 14 minus 3 is nothing but 11. Therefore -11 plus x as it is. To find the value of x3, we have to transfer this -11 to LHS. -11 becomes as +11. Therefore -12 plus 11 is equal to x3. Here 12 and 11 has opposite sign. Therefore we have to take subtraction. Give the sign of 12, and 12 minus 11 is nothing but 1. Therefore x3 is equal to -1. To find the y coordinate of centroid G, y is equal to y coordinate of point A, which is nothing but y1, y coordinate of point B, which is y2, and y coordinate of point C, which is y3 upon 3. Substitute the value. Here y is nothing but the y coordinate of point G, which is -7, is equal to the y coordinate of point A, which is -19, y coordinate of point B, which is 5, plus y3 as it is divided by 3. Now transfer these 3 to LHS. The divide becomes as multiply. Therefore -7 into 3. We know that multiplication of opposite sign always negative. Therefore -7 3s are 21. 19 and 5 has opposite sign. Therefore we take subtraction. Here 19 is greater than 5. Therefore give the sign of 19, and 19 minus 5 is nothing but 14. Therefore -14 plus y3. Transfer this -14 to LHS. Minus becomes as plus. Therefore -21 plus 14 is equal to y3. Here 21 and 14 has opposite sign. Therefore give the sign of 21, and 21 minus 14 nothing but 7. Therefore y3 is equal to -7. Therefore coordinate of vertex C be -1, -7. Example number 9. The A having coordinate h, -6, B having coordinate 2, 3, and C having coordinate -6, k are the coordinate of vertices of a triangle whose centroid is G having coordinate 1, 5, then find the value of H and K. Let vertex A having coordinate x1, y1 is corresponds to order pair H, negative 6. The vertex B having coordinate x2, y2 which is corresponds to order pair 2, 3. The vertex C having coordinate x3, y3 is corresponds to order pair negative 6, k, and the coordinate of centroid G B 1, 5. Here G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Therefore, by the centroid formula, we know that the x coordinate of centroid G Bx equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Here the x coordinate of centroid, which is 1, equal to the x coordinate of point A, which is H, x coordinate of point B, which is 2, and x coordinate of point C, which is negative 6 divided by 3. Now transfer these 3 to LHS. Divide becomes as multiply. Therefore 1 into 3 is equal to H, as it is. Here 2 and 6 has opposite sign. Therefore we take subtraction. Here 6 is greater than 2. Therefore give the sign of 6 negative. And 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. 3 ones are 3. Now transfer this negative 4 to LHS. Negative becomes as plus 4. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. Therefore H is equal to 7. Now the y coordinate of centroid G is nothing but y is equal to the y coordinate of point A, which is y1, plus y coordinate of point B, which is y2, and y coordinate of point C, which is y3 upon 3. Substitute the value here. The y coordinate of point G, which is given 5, is equal to the y coordinate of point A, which is negative 6, plus y coordinate of point B, which is 3, plus the y coordinate of point C, which is k, divided by 3. Now transfer these 3 to LHS. Divide becomes as multiply. Therefore 5 into 3 is equal to minus 6 plus 3. These two numbers have opposite sign. Here 6 is greater than 3. Therefore give the sign of 6. And 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3. Therefore negative 3 plus k. Now we take multiplication of 5 and 3, which is 15. And as well as we transfer this negative 3 to LHS. Negative becomes as plus 3. 15 plus 3 is nothing but 18. Therefore k is equal to 18. Therefore H is equal to 7 and k is equal to 18. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video. Thank you.